You guys ready to take a look at this Scotch 80s beautifully maintained property right here in the historic district near downtown? Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. This channel is designed for everything Las Vegas. Whether it's real estate, lifestyle, whatever it is here in Vegas, we've got your back. Please reach out. We love hearing from people. We're helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Information's below in the description. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff really helps out the channel. And let's jump into this tour right now. This property is one of a kind and it exudes authentic 1980s vintage charm. This two-story home is being offered at $725,000. It was built in 1980 with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms spread across 3,109 square feet of living space in a 2-car garage. It's situated on a generous 1/4 acre lot with a sprawling mature backyard. You'll find your private oasis with a refreshing pool, spa, and even a diving board for endless fun in the sun. A balcony with a spiral staircase adds an element of architectural interest and offers a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the views. Nestled beside the historic Scotch 80s neighborhood near downtown Las Vegas, this home is in a prime location that showcases the rich heritage of Las Vegas. Okay, as we walk up to the property, you guys, I want you to notice that we're right here at the end of the cul-de-sac. Again, nestled right up into the Scotch 80s historic neighborhood right here near downtown Las Vegas. As you can see, stratosphere is literally right there. So let's go on and take a look at this one. This property's had one owner since the very beginning, meticulously maintained, and it's got some really cool, funky features to it that I'd like to show you, so come on in. One thing though I'd be a little concerned about is all the pine trees. Pine trees cause havoc, especially on a pool. So as we walk in, you see the foyer here, it's got some tile flooring. Got a living area just off to the side here on the right. And then as we walk down the hallway, kind of cathedral type style ceilings here. Got a half bath right here. Walk in, 2-car garage off to the side. Do have the washer and dryer out here as well. Some storage space. Really warm in there. And we walk into the main area. There's a little water feature in the main area here. A little alcove, but something really cool about this property that's unique is a closet. No, I'm just kidding. This is a safe room sort of area that's underneath the stairs, and it's got a floor safe in there as well. Sorry it's dark, the bulb is burnt out, but pretty cool, unique feature. Let's head on this way. We go in here, we see the kitchen. Again, this is original 1980s stuff in here, you guys, so some people might like to leave it the way it is and keep it in that 80s style, or maybe do some renovations on this property, but it's very, very clean and meticulously maintained. So we've got lots of counter space, lots of cabinets. You know, we've got a formal dining area out here with some bay windows. And then we'll head off to the other side of the house. Big brick fireplace in the corner over here. So we've got 2 bedrooms here. We've got a Jack and Jill bathroom that's connecting these 2 bedrooms here. So let's walk all the way through. Again, all original 1980s stuff. All right. Let's head on upstairs. So you see when we go up these stairs, it's a really cool design. It's got a little circular staircase as we go up. Not sure what you put on this shelf, but as you come up here, looks like this would be your primary bedroom upstairs all by itself, and then you've got another seating area off of the primary bedroom here. I guess you could use this as an office space. And it does have a door that leads out to the balcony right here that we'll take a look at here in a second. We've got the primary bathroom here. Again, all original design. Walk-in shower back here. jump in the tub, dual sinks, makeup counter, got the toilet back here, and then you've got this big closet here for the master, for the primary bedroom, and you do have a laundry chute here as well. Throw your clothes down there, goes downstairs for the laundry. Kind of cool. Let's step off to the back and check out this balcony off of the primary bedroom. Again, that's the door that leads to that office just off of the bedroom. But come take a look at the view of the strip from over here. Got the stratosphere, you can see Resorts World. The sphere you can see there as well. So at nighttime, that thing would light up. You come over here, we've got another really amazing view of the strip. So again, at nighttime, that would all light up over here. And then we've got a nice little spiral staircase that goes down to the pool. Let's go check it out. Kind of funky, huh? So as you walk off, right off of the kitchen here, we've got the slider that comes out to the covered patio. And then let's take a look at this side of the yard first. Got all of your pool equipment way over here off to the side. Looks like they got a garden going over here. And again, check out this tree. Let me know if you guys know what that tree is. Please put it in the comments below. It looks like it's maybe 1,000 years old, but obviously it's not that old. So let's head back to this side of the yard. Again, a huge lot here with being at the end of the cul-de-sac, kind of a pie-shaped lot. So we've got the spa, the pool, and then lots and lots of grass back here. Very mature trees. Got the vines growing up on the side of the house here. Diving board, nice deep pool. Again, we don't see these too often in Vegas anymore. You got to come to some of these older areas. You got this nice relaxing area back here with a hammock underneath the trees and the shade with a cool breeze going. This is beautiful back here. Good stuff. So thanks for coming on the tour with us. You guys have this property right here near Scotch 80s, right literally across the street from the strip and downtown area. This channel is designed for everything Las Vegas, whether it's real estate, lifestyle. Please reach out. We love hearing from you. We're helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley, and we'd like to help you as well. Please reach out. Information's below in the description. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll keep making these videos as long as you guys keep watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.